morning, Ms. V. You seem to be very busy this morning.
Hello, Bob. A very busy morning indeed. Come and help yourself to some fresh vegetables.
You know something? I want the kids in my class to know how good vegetables are for them.
Then I should definitely come and show them how much fun vegetables can be.
That's a good idea. Why don't you join me for today's class?
Great! Let me load up some of my vegetables in my van.
Don't worry about that. Just hop on and I'll take you along with me. Kids, we have a very special visitor today. Say hello to Ms. V.
Hello, Miss V. Hello, kids. I'm going to teach you a valuable lesson today.
Could you begin by showing the kids some things that start with the letter V? You know them better than anybody else.
Here are some vegetables. Don't they look like fun? They will also make you strong, vigorous, healthy, and happy. Now, let's see. How about violet? Just like the color of these vegetables.
Looks like they love you kids, too.
My van. How nice of you to join us after all.
He looks equally excited to meet us all.
Aww! Next up is violin. I think I have one right here, somewhere. Kids, would you like to meet some of my friends? And I want to hear your voices loud and clear.
Yes, please!
Very good. Here they are, the vowels A, E, I, O, U.
Hi, vowels!
What a lovely lesson this was. Can we go through it once again, please?
Vegetables. Violet. Van. Violin. Vowels. Remember, kids, vegetables are very good for you.
Yes, Miss V.
Excellent! Now, let's show the kids how to write the letter V. Polly, shall we begin?
Yes, Bob.
Start at the top and draw a slanting line going down. Now, without lifting your crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line going up. That's the letter V.
That was very easy, Bob. Can I try it on my own this time?
Okay, but make sure you are loud so everyone can hear your voice.
Start at the top and draw a slanting line going down. Then, without lifting the crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line going up. And that's how we write the letter V.
Very, very good, children.
Thank you for giving the children a very good lesson today. That was fun, too.
It was fun for me, too.
Just to show you how much we loved having you here, I have written a very special song.
Wonderful. Let's hear it.
Vivacious and vibrant, wonderful and free, nobody can be. Valiant and vocal like dear Ms. V. With her minivan, she always has a plan to have loads and loads of fun. Under the hot, vivid summer sun. A, E, I, O, and U are the fun vowels, and her best friends too. Her voice is very sweet and vegetables she loves to eat. Nobody can ever be like dear Ms. V. Vivacious and vibrant, wonderful and free, nobody can be valiant and vocal like dear Ms. V.
You have an amazing voice, Bob. As my way of saying thanks, I am going to send you on a vacation.
Wow! That is very sweet of you. Bye, kids. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. And don't forget to eat your vegetables.